Hello, let's do the Netflix puzzled Starstruck for May 15th. We'll do the easy then the hard. Easy is called N pentominoes. Let's play. The way we play this game is in each row, each column, and each colored region, we're placing exactly one star. Also, stars can't touch each other, even diagonally, so that wouldn't be allowed. All right, so these N pentominoes all have a specific elimination. But before I do any of that, this middle row is all brown. We know that every row has a star, including this one, and it's going to have to place it in brown. There's no other color to place it in. So we can't have any more stars in brown. So except for that row, we can just X out all of brown. Now, just to talk about it, this cell nestled right here can't be a star. I mean, it already can't be, right? But we're just talking about it. Because, look what happens if we make it a star. It X's out the entire red, right? It gets the column, it gets the row, it touches that one. So this one also is kind of nestled in there. It gets these three and these two, right? Column, touching. So this one here is not in for that reason, and that gives us this star. And then now this location got rid of these two by touching, these two by column, leaving just this one. That leaves just these two for green. So this one is out. This one's out because, again, it's the same shape over and over. So that's our star. That's our star. We're repeating the same trick. Brown is just down to this one, and that gives us the star here, and we're done. All right. I mean, it's on the edge of being a plonker. I'm not sure. It's up to you if you think it's a plonker or not. I guess if I back a couple times, I can get to hard, maybe. All right. Quinceañera. It's the hard. 15. Nice. All right. These two get rid of all of these, plus these two. Okay. I guess we have to think. That's unfortunate. Why would we want to think in a puzzle about thinking? This one's really powerful. Really powerful. Because look, it gets rid of these three. I guess I might as well pull out my pen. This one here, it gets rid of this entire column, right? And these two. So, like, it places this one. That one places that one. I don't know if that's right or wrong. Like, it's just very powerful. This one's also very powerful. Like, it gets rid of all of these and these two. But, I mean, I guess if we place that one, it already does. This one also places that one. Okay, I don't think we need to be looking ahead like this right now, but I just noticed that really powerful spot. It might finish the puzzle if we were to follow it, but it might also break somewhere. I'm not going to bother. I'm looking for lineups, but I'm having trouble. Doesn't mean there aren't any, but I am having trouble. Like, this almost lines up with Indigo, but we have this one escapee. We can still do an elimination, though. Like, you can still do almost eliminations. Sometimes. Because think about, I'm going to use forward slashes here for if this lined up with Indigo, right? If they lined up, like we weren't here, then I can forward slash these, this one, this one, this one, this one, and this one to say, hey, those aren't in because of the lineup. But we aren't quite lined up, right? We could be right here. If we were right here, I'm going to do the backslash and say, oh, we eliminate this one, this one, this one, this one, the whole row. But notice that we X'd this one, right? We have a slash and a backslash in this one. So no matter what happens, this one is never, ever a star because there's no world in which it is one. So does that help? I don't know. I just noticed it. We have an almost on the right three. I haven't looked at it deeply yet. But notice that we must place red. We have four colors available. We've got red, we've got yellow, and we've got green, but we also have brown. So if it wasn't in this brown, then we eliminate these and all of these yellows outside. And then if we are in the brown, it still eliminates these two. So those two yellows aren't in, I suppose. It's probably not the way to solve the puzzle, by the way. Oh, this would have gotten out from our handy gray. In fact, that also gets out from the 3 gray left. Just now noticed that. Our powerful spot survives and is more likely now. In fact, this is never in. It touches these. It touches all three of them. This one here touches all three. So now this column's been somewhat reduced. Not enough, but the blue and the whatever this is, dark orange, are kind of connected, right? We're either in the square or we're in the circle. Those are our two worlds. Right. So these aren't in. Yeah. I mean, another way to put that, if you want, I don't know if it's a better way, is if we include any of these, then we eliminate these three, and then we have to put one here and here that touch. So these aren't in. And then we're definitely in one of these two as well, because we can't put them here and there. And that does have eliminations, but none that haven't already been eliminated. This one and that one. Okay. Maybe that's related to what I've been seeing. We have an almost lineup. Ooh, a very useful almost lineup with indigo and orange now in these two columns. Oh, wait. Yeah, so it's an almost lineup in that indigo actually must be between these lines. There's no choice. Orange almost has to be between these lines. If it was, we'd eliminate this one and this one. If it's not, if orange is not lined up, we still have to place this orange here, which still eliminates that guy. So that guy's not in. These two now eliminate from here, and we place this star, as we knew would happen. Indigo's down to this one, and then orange places there. And blue places there. Gray places there. Okay. Brown is limited to these, so that's out. This L shape eliminates from here. These three yellows eliminate from here and here. They both touch all the yellows. So red's down to these, eliminate from those. Green's down to these, eliminate those. This is yellow, this is red, this is brown, this is green, and we're done. I like the almost strategy. I don't know if that was the optimal way to get through, but it was a fun way to get through, and there were quite a few of them in this puzzle. All right, well, how'd you do?